it's Danielle. It's Saturday. I'm going up to St. Andrew today. Today, Brady will be doing a shoot of an apartment, so I'll show you a little bit of behind the scenes of that. And also, we plan on passing by Annandale Waterfall later on this evening, so I'll show you that as well. So see you soon. Scenes of Brady. Take your candle and go light your world. Guys, and check out the view from this place, man. How awesome is this view? Yes, guys, so we're on our way to Grenville now, and there's this local homemade ice cream place that's close to Grenville that's really good. We bought ice cream here the last time, and it was nutmeg and coconut flavor, and it tastes amazing. So yeah, if you're ever heading up to Grenville from St. David's side, check them out. It tastes really good. So it's nighttime now, and we're by Annandale, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. They did some new developments here, so I'll show you guys. Some more light, and the waterfall is in color over there. Look at it, changing color. Awesome, right? Purple. Yeah. Keep walking. Looking pretty good so far. Yes guys, so I'm chilling over by Annandale Fall. They definitely have some new developments here. We have the waterfall changing color. It's purple and then it's white and then it's blue. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, right? And there's also a bar up here and a lot of lights, and yeah guys, it's really nice vibes at Annandale. So they did a very good job here. You can check it out. Let me show you a little bit of the bar from this view. Yes, and this is the bar up here. You can see it as well because it's nice, but yeah, that's a bar. And they have some lights all the way around. Yeah. And over here, we have the waterfall. So yeah guys, it's pretty awesome. Up here, you can come and check it out. Yeah, it's really nice. Some sparkles on the ground here. Pretty cool. There's a lookout right here as well. That's further up. You can see and see the waterfall from a little bit further. Yes guys, so we just left Annandale Waterfall. It's really nice there. There's also a restaurant, so it's a bar and restaurant. The waterfall is changing color. There's a lookout, there's a lot of lights. It's a really nice vibe there. You know, we asked, they said the bar and so is open from 6 p.m, but we're not 100% sure what time it closes. But yeah guys, it's really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Brady shooting that apartment today. It's up on his YouTube channel, Brady Langine, so you can check it out if you're interested in an apartment to rent. And I also hope you enjoyed seeing Annandale Waterfall and how beautiful it looks when the water is changing colors. It's so amazing. So guys, yes, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and give the videos a thumbs up if you like it. Also, I'll be busy for the next 2 weeks, so you might not see any big adventure vlogs, but maybe I might do a few videos on medical topics or so. So have a wonderful week, guys. Bye.